table, whether it's a funeral or whether it's a potlatch or celebrating a new hunter harvesting his first caribou. That is how integral caribou are to our people. And, you know, in response to the point that was raised by one of the viewers, you know, our community has taken steps to put solar panels on our public facilities and on our homes. And so we're not anti-oil and gas, but we do believe in balanced energy. And so, you know, that's just a little bit of what my community looks like right now.
And what are you most concerned about in regards to caribou and their migratory patterns?
So one, this area is the calving, post-calving and nursery ground of the porcupine caribou herd. There's a reason why those cows birth their calves there, right? Because of the nutrient value in the plants, because of the reduced amount of insects and mosquitoes that can harm the calves. And so this is a really sensitive area for their habitat. We worry about that. We also worry about the potential change in their migration route because